Hi there, student. A proctor. A proctor. Okay, let's see. Firstly, I'm going to do this word in American. In the US, a proctor is the person who is in charge of an exam. It's the supervisor during the examination. This is the person who walks up and down in an exam and makes sure that nobody cheats. Now, let's go into British English. The reason I'm doing this word a proctor is because for me, proctors are actually a really interesting word. Let's see, I was brought up in Oxford and I went to Cambridge University. And the proctors of Oxford and Cambridge University are really strange positions. In Oxford and Cambridge, effectively, the proctors are the private police service belonging to Oxford and Cambridge University. At Oxford and at Cambridge University, the roles are slightly different, but at the end of the day, they do the same things. And, for example, there have been proctors at Oxford and Cambridge University since the 12th century. Yeah, maybe the 13th century, and they've certainly got a complete list of names of all the proctors of Cambridge University since 1314. Yeah, 1314. That's more than 700 years ago. Okay, let's see. The proctors have used to have power to impose fines on students for not wearing the right academic dress, or they could gate students, meaning they had to be inside the university at a certain time. Yeah, maybe they also had the power to rusticate, to send away for a period of time. They can give you a fine for, if you're an undergraduate, for having a car without the university's permission. And in the past, the proctors used to walk down the streets with their servants, the bulldogs. Yeah, and the bulldogs are the Cambridge University Constabulary. So there are about 20 or 30 constables. This is a private police service. Yeah, it's a private police, and they are, well, nowadays they are special constables. And they have the power of arrest within 5 miles of Great St Mary's Church, which is the centre of Cambridge. Yeah, there are all sorts of strange and special things to do with the proctors. At Oxford University, the proctors are the same. Yeah, the proctors are the Oxford University Police. Yeah, in Oxford, look for somebody with a bowler hat. Yeah, the bowler hat indicates that you're probably dealing with a bulldog. Yeah, a member of the Oxford University Police. Let's see. About 20 years ago in Oxford, there was a lot of criticism because these bulldogs were using their authority over people who were not members of the university, just ordinary people. And finally, this was this group was disbanded. But today the constables have been, well, they've changed the university police. They're now called proctors officers. yeah, but they are no longer police constables. Let's see. If you want something that's quite amazing about in British history, look at the Proctors and the things that they have been able to do. Let's see. Formality. Let's see. Most people don't even know what the proctor is. I very definitely know what the proctor is. I've had problems with proctors in the past, both in Oxford and in Cambridge, which is quite good. Anyway, as to origin, this word, it comes the whole way from Latin. You have a proctor from the Latin verb procuro, to manage, and a proctor is a manager, a tax collector in Latin. As to formality, woof, I think I would probably give proctor, I think I'm going to give it a 6 in formality, used in semi-formal conversation or semi-formal writing. But you're really going to need to know the context in which you're using it. In an American context, this is just the person who invigilates an exam. In the context of Oxford and Cambridge University, it's much more interesting. So anyway, enough. If you enjoyed the video, give it a rating, subscribe to my channel, and I will see you soon. Bye for now. Proctor.